Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Bittorrent price prediction and Bittorrent news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Bittorrent in 2022. Bittorrent is a popular peer-to-peer, P2P, file sharing and streaming platform that has become much more decentralized in recent years. Bittorrent was originally released in July 2001 and acquired by the Tron blockchain platform in July 2018. Since the merger, Bittorrent has added a plethora of new tools, including a dedicated native cryptocurrency token, BTT, launched in February 2019. BTT was launched on the Tron blockchain and using its TRC10 standard. According to official documents, Bittorrent is currently the largest decentralized P2P communication protocol in the world. The original Bittorrent was the brainchild of Bram Cohen, a developer and entrepreneur who has since become well known in the world of cryptocurrencies. Cohen says he developed Bittorrent to take the edge off an outdated entertainment industry that was making it slow and expensive to get content, and swarm mortality or early degeneration. Due to an imbalance in upload-download speeds, files often finish downloading before a peer can upload an equivalent number of bytes. Once a downloading peer has downloaded the full file, there is no economic incentive to continue seeding the content to additional downloaders. As a result, users abandon swarms without uploading all of the material they have downloaded, causing Bittorrent swarms to fail to persist, as long as they should. The team at Bittorrent Incorporated is working on a new feature called Bittorrent Speed to solve this problem. This feature will allow peers to give cryptographic token incentives to each other, in order to continue seeding files after the whole download is complete. The innovation is essentially an overlay on top of the existing protocol that will allow existing Bittorrent swarm participants to trade tokens in exchange for ensuring that a file is available for download. Bittorrent Speed will be implemented into future Bittorrent and uTorrent clients that participate. It will provide a new set of Bittorrent protocol extensions that will allow users to publicize their bids inside a swarm and trade BTT for continuous priority access to seeds. As a result, peers will opt to seed for longer periods of time, resulting in enhanced swarm lifetime and speedier download times for all swarm members. BTT incentives. The Bittorrent ecosystem's continuing growth will necessitate the synchronization of operations as well as the provision of incentives to a wide variety of current and future players. BTT incentive prizes will be available to Bittorrent client implementers, third-party software developers, and online publishers. Millions of individuals will share their resources, if they can do it safely and securely, governed by the norms of a protocol they trust, as demonstrated by the Bittorrent ecosystem. Attributed to other Live users. Paywatch noted, Live has paid out hundreds of thousands of dollars to extremists since its founding, largely through donations of cryptocurrency built into a service provided by the site. In November, the blog reported that white nationalist Nick Fuentes, who also featured prominently in the Stop the Steal protests that led to the breach of the Capitol building, had generated money through Live at a pace that matches a six-figure salary. Live responded to the events on Thursday, tweeting that it does not condone illegal activities or violence, and encouraging users to report channels that violate its community guidelines. Cointelegraph reached out to Live, but did not receive a comment as of publication. Live was not the only streaming platform used by protesters, with various streams of the attack on the Capitol broadcast on Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. The mainstream social platforms have sought to remove content violating their terms of service, with a Facebook spokesperson stating, "The violent protests in the Capitol today are a disgrace. We prohibit incitement and calls for violence on our platform. We are actively reviewing and removing any content that breaks these rules." A video published by President Donald Trump describing the insurrectionists as special prompted further action from the big social media platforms, with Facebook blocking Trump's account until at least the end of his term, and Twitter blocking the president's account for 24 hours. In response, the free speech decentralized social media platform Gab said it had reached out to Trump's team and had reserved an account for him. Personal data no longer has to remain at the mercy of traditional tech entities. Instead, thanks to the use of decentralized ledgers, it is possible for data to be shared in a manner that is not only decentralized, but also safe and transparent. In this regard, Bittorrent is a blockchain-based data sharing ecosystem that is localized in its governance structure, such that no one individual entity has control over the platform. From a technical standpoint, while most blockchain ecosystems today suffer issues like high gas fees, poor transaction throughput capacities, high migration costs, lack of interchain interoperability, and low horizontal-vertical scalability, Bittorrent bypasses all of these issues, thanks to its future-ready infrastructure. Numbers-wise, the platform offers extremely high network relay speeds of 7,000 transactions per second, TPS, a figure that is extremely lofty when compared with those of rival mainstream projects such as Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, that offer rates of 30, 1,000, 250, 4,500, 15 transactions per second respectively. Additionally, while it is extremely difficult to transfer smart contracts algorithms that are designed to execute when certain predetermined conditions are met from one blockchain to another, typically, Bittorrent allows for one-click migration of its contracts, thus allowing for a high degree of platform interoperability if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $0.006 with a minimum price $0.005 level. Bittorrent price prediction 2024 and 2024. With wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, the price of Bittorrent will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $0.008 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.007 with a maximum price of $0.008 for 2024. Bittorrent price prediction 2025. It looks like by 2025, Bittorrent (BTT) prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be $0.010. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Bittorrent's maximum price could reach up to $0.012 in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Bittorrent price prediction 2026. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Bittorrent could cross $0.018 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2026. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2026 will be around $0.015. Bittorrent rate prediction 2027. BTT has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Bittorrent, the price could rise much higher. By 2027, it may reach a maximum value of $0.024. BTT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2027 could end with an average price of $0.022, a minimum price of $0.021, and a maximum price of $0.024. Bittorrent price prediction 2028. The current Bittorrent price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore BTT could reach $0.036 by 2028 with significant cooperation from financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.032 for 2028, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2028. BTT rate prediction 2029. BTT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Bittorrent rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2029, the Bittorrent rate will be almost $0.046. The maximum bet we can get is $0.054. Bittorrent end 2029 average price prediction could be around $0.048. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. BTT rate prediction 2030. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Bittorrent will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2030, BTT is expected to peak at $0.079. The minimum bet could go up to $0.065 if the market turns bullish.